step inside the massive home of the world's finest curry. Fresh ingredients arrive daily at our high-tech loading docks.
Only the freshest silver mackerel makes it to our line.
Quality inspectors verify the temperature of every single fish.
Powerful water jets spray the fish down the conveyor belt. Rotating brushes remove every scale with incredible robotic precision. Automated blades slice the fish into perfect uniform serving pieces. Our experts manually remove every tiny bone for your safety.
Vibrant aromatic spices create our signature and world-famous flavor.
Every spice is weighed precisely to maintain our secret recipe.
Whole chilies are ground into a glowing and fiery powder. Massive stainless steel vats prepare thousands of gallons of sauce.
Whole spices sizzle in golden oil to release deep aromas. Fresh onion and ginger paste creates a rich, savory base. Our lead cooks stir the sauce until it reaches perfection. The curry simmers slowly to develop a deep, complex taste.
Fresh tomato puree adds a bright and tangy natural finish.
Thousands of fresh cutlets move toward the final cooking stage.
The fish meets the sauce in a perfect culinary marriage. Gentle mechanical stirring ensures the fish stays whole and tender. Massive exhaust systems keep our facility clean and air fresh.
Viscosity tests ensure the sauce is always thick and rich. A vibrant orange glow signals that the curry is ready.
Rapid chilling pipes lock in the flavor and the freshness.
Empty trays move quickly through our sterile high-speed line. Each tray receives the exact amount of our delicious sauce.
2 premium fish pieces are added to every single tray. A vacuum seal preserves the taste without using any chemicals. Our iconic branding is applied with high speed and accuracy.
The final product is tucked into its colorful protective sleeve.
Robotic arms stack the cartons for global shipping with ease.
Every single carton is tracked for total safety and quality.
Heavy-duty plastic wrap secures the load for long journeys.
Skilled drivers move the product into our massive cold storage.
Our cold warehouse can hold millions of ready-to-eat meals.
Real-time data keeps our global inventory balanced and updated.
The sunset marks the beginning of our global distribution mission. Our trucks carry the taste of home to every city. Customers love the convenience and the premium quality of Fishly. A delicious and healthy meal is now just minutes away. The rich aroma of authentic spices fills your kitchen instantly. Pour it out and see the thick and rich consistency. Garnish with fresh herbs for a truly gourmet dining experience. The perfect meal is ready in less than 5 minutes. Bring friends and family together with a meal they love. The fish is so tender it simply melts in your mouth. From our factory to the world, quality knows no borders.
Fishly is becoming a global leader in convenient, healthy food.
Even top chefs trust our curry for its authentic flavor. Innovation and tradition meet at the Fish Curry Factory.
Our lab technicians test every batch for total purity. Clean, filtered water is the foundation of our process.
Expert teamwork drives our factory's success every single day.
Smart sensors monitor cooking heat with extreme digital accuracy.
The spice sifter ensures a perfectly smooth curry texture. Only premium fresh garlic and ginger enter our kitchen.
Industrial blenders create a smooth and potent aromatic base. Our hospital-grade protocols ensure a sterile production environment. Light searing locks in the natural juices and flavor. A complex maze of automation moves our product forward.
Concentrated fish stock adds a deep and savory umami boost. Our creative chefs constantly develop exciting new curry variants.
Advanced X-ray scans guarantee that every meal is safe.
Vacuum-sealed pouches offer a lightweight and convenient meal option.
Massive containers carry our taste to every global port. Solar energy powers our commitment to a greener future.
Our canned curry line offers a long-lasting pantry staple.
Every single batch is tasted for flavor and balance. Wearable technology helps our team handle heavy tasks safely.
High-speed cameras ensure every label is perfectly aligned now.
Our factory shines as a beacon of modern food innovation.
Our massive cooling towers work around the clock for quality. Stock your pantry with the world's most delicious curry.
Heat it up for 2 minutes for a perfect meal. Ocean liners carry Fishly products across the deep blue seas. Our packaging line runs at an incredible and steady pace.
We include everything you need for a great meal experience.
Enjoy the authentic taste of the coast anywhere you go.
Autonomous robots maintain our pristine floors throughout the night. The fish is flaky, tender, and infused with rich spices.
Our curry is loved by people in every major city.
Total digital oversight ensures the highest standards of production.
Experience the rich and velvety texture of our signature sauce.
Rain or shine, we deliver the taste you crave daily. Pair it with warm naan for the ultimate comfort meal.
We take pride in showing the world our clean process.
Quality begins with the finest silver-scaled fish in the sea.
Robotic precision ensures our orders are packed perfectly every time.
A healthy, hot meal even when you are on the go.
Final boarding call for Flight 452 to Miami.
Fine-tuning our machines ensures every tray is filled perfectly.
Add a burst of citrus to awaken the vibrant flavors.
Our team uses smart tech to manage millions of items. Engineering excellence flows through every part of our modern factory.
Transform your kitchen into a world-class restaurant with Fishly.
Our seal is your guarantee of the world's best curry.
A new day begins at the home of global flavor.
The passion of our people is our most important ingredient.
Fishly, the world's most delicious, ready-to-eat fish curry experience.